Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Bubble PR. First, you need to define your core message. What makes your product or service truly unique? Think about your target audience and what problem you solve for them. Your story should be compelling and easy to understand, highlighting your unique value. This foundational step is crucial for all subsequent PR efforts, ensuring your message resonates with journalists and their readers, setting the stage for successful outreach. Next, focus on finding the right media outlets and journalists. It is essential to research reporters who genuinely cover your industry or similar topics. A targeted approach is far more effective than a mass email blast. Aim to build a focused media list of around 20 to 30 contacts who are most likely to be interested in your story. This careful selection ensures your efforts are directed towards receptive audiences, maximizing your chances of securing coverage. Now, let's talk about crafting an effective pitch. Your email should be highly personalized, demonstrating you understand the journalist's work. Keep it concise, ideally under 150 words, getting straight to the point. Clearly articulate why your story is relevant and valuable to their audience. Offer a clear call to action, perhaps suggesting an interview or providing additional resources. A well-crafted, brief pitch significantly increases your chances of a response. Finally, mastering the follow-up is key to successful PR. If you do not hear back, send a polite follow-up email within 3 to 5 business days. This gentle reminder can often catch a busy journalist's attention. Reiterate your key message and offer further information or an interview. Persistence is crucial, but always maintain a professional tone. Building relationships takes time, and a thoughtful follow-up can make all the difference in securing valuable media coverage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.